So yesterday, about a day ago, I bought this. This is the Samsung Galaxy Watch 6 Classic. And with the Classic or the Galaxy Watch 6, there's two versions, the 44 and the Watch 6 Classic, which is a 47 millimeter, which I have on my wrist right now, as you guys can see. It comes in two colors, black and then titanium silver. I didn't want to wait for the black, so I got the silver, because I called up all the T-Mobile stores and all they had was silver and not the black. At least all the T-Mobile stores near me. So why did I get this? Because I don't know if it was coincidence because it was Veterans Day, or T-Mobile sent me an offer or gave me an offer when I was gonna pay my bill, getting ready to pay my bill, and they gave me an offer that I couldn't refuse. So I decided to finally upgrade from my original. This is one of the first Galaxy Watch. It's not the first, but one of the first. This is the Gear S3 Frontier that I have had for well over like 4-5 years now. And this is the Galaxy Watch 6 Classic that just got released maybe this year. So why was I thinking about getting the black? Only because, well, this is black, and I thought I could like interchange the bands. So I'm gonna do a full review or initial review in about a week or two on the Galaxy Watch 6 Classic compared to the S3. But for now, here is one of the big negatives that I didn't like right away from switching, is that all the bands that I bought for the Gear S3 Frontier are not compatible with this one. Even though this watch, the Galaxy Watch 6 Classic, is, for all intents and purposes, a little bit bigger watch. So the Gear S3 Frontier, I believe, is 45 millimeters, but that's not even the display size. It's I think it's the whole size around the watch, versus 47 millimeters on the Galaxy 6 Watch Classic. And I apologize if I did not videotape the unboxing, but it was nothing exciting. The unboxing of the Gear S3 Frontier was much better, and my Gear S3 still works really well. It's just that, like I said, Samsung gave me an offer that I couldn't refuse, and I took it. So with the Gear S3, you get this cradle or this dock, you get the USB-C cord, and you get the power brick with and of course your quick start guides. With the Galaxy Watch 6 Classic, all you get is this and the quick start guide. So that's that. But yeah, the one reason why I was thinking about getting the black is just I did not like how the look of this band is right here. This, I think it's pleather band. It looks somewhat, it doesn't look as masculine, okay, as compared to like this thing or something like this, what this originally came with. And so as soon as I got home, I went online, or I went to the Amazon app on my tablet, and I ordered some bands for the Galaxy Watch 6. So the difference between the Galaxy Watch 6 regular and the Galaxy Watch 6 Classics, other than the size, 44 millimeters versus 47 millimeters, is the Classic right here has the rotating bezel, as you guys can see, which was missing in the Galaxy Watch 4 and Galaxy Watch 5 and 5 Pro. So this one also has the rotating bezel. Although the bezels now have gotten smaller to make room for a bigger display, the bezels on here are bigger, and I still like the bezels on the Gear S3 Frontier because they look more rugged. And the whole watch, all in all, is more rugged, more masculine than this. So to make this look more masculine, and I'm going to change these bands. So let's get to it. So my criteria when ordering the bands is that, number one, they wouldn't break the bank. And most of these, actually all of these, are under $20. Maybe under, well, with the exception of one, they're under $10. Okay. All right, so this one, these bands right here, these are from Anrir, as you guys can see right there. And you can buy them as just one band for like around $9. You guys will see the price up there. But I got the 3-pack, which is $13, $13.99, I believe. And so the 3-pack that I got, it comes in different colors. This is green, I don't know if it's showing, blue, and then black. So that's the first up that we're going to look at. So the one good thing with the new Galaxy Watch 6 and 6 Classic is the clasp system, or the wristband system, is much easier now, at least for the default bands. As long as you have fingernails, you can just press that button right here, and then it should release the band like so. Let's do that with the other one. Okay, so that's how easy that is. So let's take a look at these Anrir bands. These are silicone bands, I believe. And you want silicone bands if you have skin, you have sensitive skin, and you also sweat a lot, or you want to take them swimming. These are probably the best type of bands to get, silicone bands. How does it? So this one is just like the old one. It has this thing right here. So what you do is basically you're just gonna line up the hole right there, and then push this in, and just let it clasp in. Like, it's hard to see through camera, so I'm gonna try to do it. Let's see if I can do this. Looking through the camera, I can't. Okay, so and so there it goes. Pretty simple, not too complicated, just like this right here from the Gear S3, as you guys can see. Now I'm going to put the other one on and model it for you guys. Okay, so here's how it looks with the black band. And as you guys can see, compared to this look, it already looks more masculine, more rugged, right, with the black band. So there's black on my wrist. And I can't really turn it as much because I don't have the flexibility to muscle bound in the wrist. So I even had that issue when I was going to join the military. I almost didn't make it because they said my wrist didn't have the flexibility. So there's the black, and see, it already looks more rugged. So now let's go with blue. I guess we can't go with blue because the blue one does not have this thing right here. It's missing. You guys see that? The little like notch, or the little button, is broken off of this one, so that's not good. Like this right here. Never mind the blue one then. So that's not good. So I'll give you guys a follow-up and contact Amazon to see if Anrir is good about like replacing this. So let's go with the green. So here's the thing with the Galaxy Watch 6 Classic and the 6, is that the bands are 20, as you guys can see right there, 20 millimeters, whereas the ones for this was like 22 millimeters. So it's a little bit bigger on here for the Gear S3 Frontier than it is for the Galaxy 6 Watch Classic. And to know which side is up, this side where the buttons are is up. This part right here that doesn't have the buckle is the bottom. Okay, so here's the green. That's how the green one looks. And now let me put it on my wrist. And so there's how the green looks on my wrist. Okay, so the Anrir is a maybe recommendation, because the blue did not have that little like notch or button to squeeze that thing into the hole. If I were to put this in, if I could put it in, it'd be stuck because it doesn't have that little button like this thing has. So All in all, $13.99 for all three colors. It's a maybe for the Anrir. Okay, let's move on. So the next one is this silver. It's called the One Click No Gap Metal Band, and the manufacturer is ALMNVO, ALMNVO. You guys will see it up there, and it comes in different colors: black, gold, looks like purple, rose gold, pink, silver, and what is this one? And starlight. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 colors. I got the silver right here to match this titanium silver on the Galaxy Watch 6 Classic. Let's see how it installs. The black and the silver are like $9.99. The gold and all the other colors, starlight, rose gold, purple, they're $12.99. So the standard black and gold are $9.99, and or the standard black and silver are $9.99, and all the other 5 colors are a little more expensive, $12. Okay, so this one is like this, and it's a full-on just regular wrist strap, right? So what I'd have to do on this, let me figure this out. I think this part right here is going to go up top. And I like this, how it has the button system. Same thing as on the Galaxy Watch. As you see that, the button system. So I'm going to do that. So what you want to do is you just line up the curves like so. Press that button. And hopefully it'll fit in. It'll click in. Did it click? I didn't hear it click, but it's on there. Okay. So now we're going to put this on the bottom. Same thing, button system, line up the curves, press that button. Actually, the button on here is way more easier to press than on the bands on the Galaxy, probably because it's everything is metal. So it's a little more easier to feel out the button. And there you go. And that's it. And that's how it looks. Right there. And these buttons are super strong, just like on this one. Every time I work out, sometimes this button tries to attach to the weights that I'm using. So there's how it looks. And let me see if I can put it on for you guys. And that's how it looks on, as you guys can see. So that one is this one is $9.99 from ALMNVO store. And I like it. I really like this. This one, the middle one, I can wear like when I'm going out, you know, on fancy occasions and stuff like that. You can wear it with nicer clothes versus this. These are probably just, you know, everyday workout stuff. All right, let's move on. Okay, so the last one is from this company, Mazoft, and it's a nylon band, which is really nice because nylon is like, you know, the bungee cord material that I have for my wristbands that I normally sometimes wear. And I have the black one, and it costs $9.99 for all, how many colors are there? There's a lot of colors, man, a lot. If you guys haven't seen it, there's like multi-colored ones. All in all, until your solid colors, like from red, black, green, purple, blue, yeah, silver. So all in all, there are 40 colors all in all. And I'm not even gonna attempt to put them on video. I'll put the link in the description if you guys are interested in this. But yeah, there's 40 different colors, and if I try to show you guys all 40, it's going to take too long. So here it is. It says 20 millimeter from Mazoft braided, nylon braided wristband. This is probably going to be my daily driver, most likely. Just because I like the look of and feel of this material right here. So this is the black one, as you guys can see. And it has the same release system as the Anrir right here. and also the same release system as the original one from my, well, not the original, but the band that comes with my, that I have right now with my Gear S3. It has this tape around the buckle so it doesn't get scratched. And let's see, how do we do this? Okay, so the buckle system is similar to like the metal one here, Galaxy Watch 6. I'm gonna go here. Hopefully this is right and it fits, so I can recommend this. So as you guys can see right there, not as easy. So the easiest one is the is definitely the metal band because of the quick release button system. These systems right here are a little bit more difficult, but they're not that hard. It's just if you don't have fingernails, they can be difficult to install. Let's see. Okay, there you go. It clicked in and it's good, nice and tight. Now we're gonna put on the other one, and I gotta loosen this. Let's loosen this clasp a little bit. And there it goes. I don't know if you guys seen it snapped into place. And so yeah, there it is. And so this is how it looks. And so if I want to put it on, I would like do this, put it around like this, and then to tighten it, you just go like this. And this band is actually, the nylon band is also pretty flexible to be more comfortable. So on first try, it was kind of tight. So I'm gonna have to like loosen this. I don't have no nails. I'm gonna have to get one of my screwdrivers or a nail cutter. So loosen this up. There you go. And then just move this up. See, move it up a little bit. There you go. And before I tighten this clasp back up, let me make sure I can put it on. And right there, it's still kind of tight. So I'm gonna move it up some more and then put this back on there. And now it's gonna be kind of loose. So make that adjustment some more. And yeah, this should be good. So now I'm gonna tighten it. Boom. So this part right here, these little like hooks onto here, right here, like so. I don't know if we can show it. So like that, and then you press on the clasp to lock it in place, and there you go. So now it's locked in, as you can see, and there it is. And that's how it looks. So not bad at all. The only issue with this braided nylon, flexible nylon, is that if you use this for working out and you get all sweaty, your wrists are sweaty, you have sweaty wrists, it's gonna be a problem. And this, you know, because you're gonna have to end up either washing this or replacing it, because it's gonna start to smell over time, and it will get dirty because of the material. So that is that. $9.99 for the Mazoft. I don't know if you guys noticed, but I had it on upside down the last one I showed you guys. But here it is, how it looks proper. But it's still the same regardless, right? So that is that. I didn't even notice it was upside down until I looked at it. But that's how it looks. And so the other cool thing with this one is that not only can you wear it with like gym outfits or gym clothes, you could probably wear it with like semi-formal casual clothes. But I will give you guys a long-term review to see how these things have held up in the future. So right now, as of today, The Anrir is a maybe because of that blue one that was missing a little button or like notch to adjust it or put it into place. The Mazoft is a go, it's a yes. And this one from, I can't even say the name, ALMNVO, ALMNVO, whatever, is a definitely go. So all the links will be in the description if you guys are interested. And if you guys do decide to purchase it, it costs you nothing extra, but you will be helping out my channel. And hopefully maybe I can start putting out more stuff for you guys when I get less busy. Or maybe I don't have to work 2 jobs if you guys keep supporting my channel. Anyways, that is it. If you guys have found this video helpful and informative, please like and subscribe. If you haven't already, follow me on Instagram at The Workout Geek for all my latest happenings and great workout tips. Till next time, everyone, take care, stay safe, stay healthy, have a wonderful day, and hopefully we will see you soon in the next video.